Did y'all feel that earthquake? Did y'all feel the earthquake? Hey y'all, who felt that earthquake? Child, I'm just gonna keep praying for him. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna keep praying for my baby. Yeah, I know I had an earthquake about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, I was scared as hell. I was about to leave up out of here. Shit, I ain't gotta feel no way. I'm at my house. That's his house if he want his house to keep getting towed up. That's on him. I'm gonna keep praying for him. Same, I got you real quick. Thank you, girl. Girl, I don't know. I just be scared to be in the house by myself when the earthquake comes. It ain't like you could grab your gat. I don't know nothing, honey. I'm gonna see what Jonathan say on these next couple calls, honey. I don't know what to tell you. All I can do is pray for him. He said he can't be alone. He can't be alone. So he need to learn that Jesus is in there with him, child. No, that was definitely an earthquake. I know earthquakes. I was in the Northridge earthquake. I know an earthquake. Does he know she wished blank on him? I don't know, child. I do not know. I don't know what kind of jail talk you doing. I don't know what the hell this mess is, honey, child. You seen my husband through the mirror? No, he should be here any minute though. So we gotta talk fast. What y'all talking about? Nobody. Oh, that's a that's a couch that I'm throwing out. Damn, y'all analyzing everything. Oh, that's the couch I'm throwing out. It ain't in the air. That's a couch. Standing up, ready to go out. Come to Africa for the holiday. I'm trying to get to Africa. So yeah, we just gonna keep praying for him, y'all. Cause he can't afford no more drama. He gonna have to be grown when he get out of this mess. Gonna have to grow up. Take responsibility and grow up and get your life together, baby. We ain't gonna have no time for that. I know I'm trying some 2024 colors, so I'm in here working on it. That's why I've been real busy. I want some 2024 colors. Yes, honey, I done got the room ready for the boys. Put the PlayStation up in there, the TV on the wall. I'm getting ready, honey. Hey, Bree, I need some eye drops. I can't go to bed without my glaucoma drops. Did I bring them home? Or I left them there? I'm getting all my grandkids. Jaden didn't hang up on me for the first time ever. I know I'm getting my babies this weekend. just want to get my life back to normal and stay out the way. That's too much. That's just too much for me. I can't do it. Did I get the drops last night, Bree, or did I leave them over there? I can't remember. She probably done scared his daddy out of there. Daddy probably gone, child. Oh, Lord Jesus, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. All I can tell you is I'm praying for my child. He said he can't be alone. He can't do the time alone. And I understand. I had to find Dre somebody when he was in there too, honey. So somebody tell Megan, we need you, baby. We need you for the black community. Jesus Christ, Jonathan. I guess he said Jaden done went down the road with her woman. Shit, my baby in the joint alone. I ain't mad at him. Do what you gotta do. I don't know what I would do if I was in there past 14 days. I'd have got me somebody to pretend to, honey. Oh, shit. I'm good for 14 days. I'll make up with my ex too. 14 days. That's all I'm good for. And then I'm act like I like somebody for 14 more. But you know what? We just gonna pray that it turn out all right, honey. I can't do the go round again. I'm too dizzy, honey. I can't do none of it. I don't want no more parts of it. Megan put people in jail. Megan tried to save Tori from jail. If y'all remember, Megan tried her best, and then it got out of hand. She did what she had to do. It got too far out of hand. But if we remember right, and that's a lady. You don't have to put your hands on a lady. You know what I'm saying? When a lady walk around and she a lady, you don't got to put your hands on no lady, because ain't no lady finna put no hands on you. That's crazy. Everybody can tell they in love with each other. Girl, ain't nobody in love. That is not love. This here, honey, is not love. I ain't never had no man love me and not claim my child. I ain't never had no woman love me and call me no Fruity Loop. That is not love. That's pure destruction from the pits of hell. It's pure destruction. I'm just gonna pray about it and let it go where it go. Ain't no way, no how that's love. Ain't no such a thing. Y'all done lost y'all damn mind if y'all think that's love. That's everything but love. I'm gonna call it lust. This ninja on day 7 tried to get some naked pictures already. My baby ain't been in the joint 7 days. The Lord trying to help you with your sexual appetite so you can get yourself together, son. He trying to get some naked pictures after 7 days. Megan can't get no defamation. She used to date my son. What is y'all talking about? Defamation for what? She used to date my son. Honey. Yes, I don't play. Hi, honey, you home? Did you feel that earthquake?
Yeah, I sure did.
Did you
First
really?
First one I felt.
You felt it while you was driving?
Nah.
You was still there?
I was sitting down, yeah.
I was sitting right there about to run outside.
My first earthquake.
I was about to run outside. That shit was scary. I ain't gonna order nothing else from Amazon, I promise you I ain't. Because I don't even know what the fuck this is. Oh, this is yours? What is this? Oh. Alright, y'all. I ain't got no dinner on, so I'm about to get cussed out, and I don't want y'all to hear it. I took me a nap and woke up too late. So y'all have a good night. Good night, y'all.